another exciting episode of Clickbait, a brand new show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I am Avishka Thadani presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. So buckle up, get curious, and let's clickbait together the safe way. Accenture has expanded its suite of cybersecurity services powered by generative AI to tackle rising sophistication of cyber threats. Announced in October 2024, these services enable real-time threat detection and response, enhancing business resilience. Karthik Ramakrishnan, Accenture's global cybersecurity lead, emphasized the importance of proactive defense in an increasingly vulnerable digital landscape. The services leverage generative AI to anticipate threat, helping businesses stay ahead of cyber criminals. Now, Accenture's initiative reflects its commitment to integrating advanced technology into cybersecurity strategies, allowing organizations to defend their system while adapting to evolving threats. India has released draft rules under the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 aimed at enhancing data privacy and security. Key provisions include mechanisms for informed consent, data azure, and appointing digital nominees. Now, companies must implement encryption, data backup, and breach detection measures, reporting incident to the Data Protection Board within 72 hours. Firms must delete unused personal data after 3 years and conduct annual audits. The rules also mandate parental consent for processing minors' data and restrict cross-border data transfer. Then we have telecom companies which face stricter regulation, including a 6-hour breach reporting deadline. Citizens gain greater control over their data, while violators face penalties up to ₹250 crore. ISB Executive Education has introduced a 16-week cybersecurity for leader program to address the growing need for skilled cybersecurity professionals. With global spending on cybersecurity projected to rise by $183 billion in 2024 to $292 billion by 2028, this initiative equips leaders with expertise in AI, generative AI, digital forensics, cloud security, and team management. The program features over 160 pre-recorded videos, interactive case studies, and real-world scenarios involving firms like Aadhaar, Microsoft, and SBI. Participants also complete a capstone project to gain hands-on experience. The curriculum includes Indian cybersecurity laws and emphasizes developing robust defense strategies against advanced threats. Portfolio management services firms have expressed concern over SEBI's cybersecurity regulation, calling some provisions costly and impractical. The rules require physical data backup at off-site location, a move criticized by unnecessary when cloud storage suffices. Other mandates include separate dealing rooms, vulnerability testing, and periodic cybersecurity awareness programs. Industry leaders argue that smaller firms face significant cost burdens due to these requirements. For example, real vulnerability and penetration testing, essential for system security, is expensive. Some also note that mandatory awareness programs often lack depth, reducing them to the checklist exercises. The industry calls for practical solutions that ensure security without imposing excessive operational challenges. Rubrik, a US-based cybersecurity company, announced plans to establish a new office in Bengaluru by mid-2025, strengthening its Indian operations. The company, which entered the Indian market in 2017, has already an R&D center in Bengaluru and sales team in Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru. The new facility will integrate product development, management, customer support, and global recovery operation. Rubrik's CEO, Bipul Sinha, highlighted India's role in company's growth strategies, stating the expansion aims to leverage India's top engineering talent. The facility will focus on innovative data security and ransomware recovery solutions, aligning with Rubrik's global growth objectives. Additionally, the company also plans to hire from India's leading university to fuel this expansion. Now, Rubrik's enhanced presence underscores its commitment to bolstering cybersecurity innovation in a digitally transforming India. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We've covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.